Let's complete a Lumosity level 3. It's a train of thoughts. The focus over here, is it green, red, or just black? So everything which is not black goes on top. So that's the focus of this first switch. You see red, immediately click. Yeah, then we look at this one switch. Everything which is not black goes on the top. For the green one, we play with this switch. Once again, focus first on this switch to pass black, and then to switch. As soon as the train has passed, we switch quickly, and then, yeah, the next one. And you see, black one is coming here, we switch. Same here. Yeah, and that would be the end of it. It wasn't complicated, just two switches, but yeah, focus is the black one and red and green on the top.